Okay, guys. So, second car in the booth. This here is the Zenova red car that I posted a while back, right? So, firstly, the car just came in for a color change. But once we started going through the car and going through rust checks on it, then I done a video also, and I showed you guys the rust that we found on the car. So, driver's side floorboard was rusted completely, and we had rust on the back, right by the battery tray. So, what I'm gonna do is now quickly, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do, what we've done already. The floors are done on the car. It actually came out very nice. So really not too bad for us making our own floorboards out. The battery tray is done already. The guys just got a check coat on it, but we're gonna give it a full primer coat now. Then they're gonna do another check coat on it and go through the lines, go through whatever dents that we're unable to see with these colors on there. Get the car prepped up for spray, and then the color on this car is going to be brilliant red. So let's go through it quickly. Okay, so the guys are still gonna get their suits on now, but basically prepped up for color change. The harness, we're still gonna pull it out quickly. Do me a favor, get Future, ask him just to pull the harness out for us, so you don't have to mask so much off there. Right, the harness just comes out from the inside quickly. So the harness will get out, and you can see how we've masked the car basically. We're still gonna try and get into all the corners nicely, and then your heat shields are gonna come up from there. Get this area cleared up. We're gonna get these small clips out here. They should have been out already, but get them out. Then let's just move over to the floorboard quick. So if you guys remember in the previous video, this car is not a restoration car, right? And hence we still got a lot of the matting in and the dashboard and stuff in there. It's not a resto car, but we found a lot of rust on the inside of the car. So this is a floorboard that we had made up, and we had to make it up of like 3 or 4 panels, just so that we can get the indents correct, the beads correct, and so on like that. So that's gonna get painted. This guy, the rest of the car is gonna get primed. We're not concentrating too much on the undercarriage, but this is a floorboard that was done here also. So this here has got to get cleaned up first. I'm actually gonna pull this car back out of the booth just so they can clean it up quickly. But anyway, guys, yeah, I really don't think it came out bad for the first time around. Let me know what you guys think, and then paint should be arriving by tomorrow. Yeah, so paint should be arriving by tomorrow. Again, brilliant red is the color that we're gonna go on it. This car's got this here is a shadowline, right? It's not an IS. So even though it's got an OAF1, it's the later shadowlines that came with full suspension on it. So I think the ROM that we're going to go on with here is a 325i Sport, which is a style 515-inch, but the 4-wheel wheel. So we're trying to source that now as well, and we're going to get a nice ROM on here, get the kit back to original. The kit is also done, prepped up properly. The clips are all in order, and we're actually looking forward to see this color come out. Guys, you guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share. Let us know in the comments what you guys think, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. Cheers, guys.